Okay, Reed, I'm ready for you. Say hi to Liam.
Hi, Liam.
What are you making?
I'm making the tower. Do you want to see it?
Okay, I'll show him it now. What is it, Reed?
It's a tower.
It's some towers? Did it take a while to do this?
Yeah, to take a while to do it.
That's really cool. I bet Liam would love to be here playing with you. Wouldn't that be so fun? Reed, tell Liam to come see you soon.
Come see me soon.
And what do you want to do with Liam when he comes?
You can play with my castle.
That would be nice. Anything else you guys want to do?
Just a little castle here and a bigger castle here and a bigger castle here, just like this castle. This castle is bigger than a bad guy castle, but this is not. All these are not bad guy castles. You want to see all my toys again?
Sure.
Okay.
We love you, Liam. We miss you.
Hey, Liam. We'll see you the next time.
Love you.